Hello, my name is Kathleen Alcalá, and I'm both a previous student and instructor in the Clarion West Writing Workshop. I was one of those strange girls who read science fiction. I lived in a small town in California, and my parents were from Mexico. They didn't understand my interest in science fiction and fantasy, but they were happy that I liked to read. The stars, the planets, worlds full of alien beauty to explore through the pages of books. These were my companions, my solace, worlds that invited me in, no matter who I was or where I lived. 20 years after I wrote my first fantasy, The Silver Llama, at the age of 10, I was invited to join a workshop in Seattle where I could share my interests with others. J.T. Stewart and Marilyn Holt, with advice from Vonda McIntyre, revived the Clarion West Workshop. I had just finished an MA at the University of Washington and purchased my very first computer. What better way to break in my leading-edge Model D than a Clarion West Writer's Workshop? Many of us are still in the field, either full or part-time. More important, the field is still inside of us, prompting us to ask the big questions, take intellectual risks, and support other writers. Clarion West embraces writers of all identities, all abilities, and offers classes accessible to all. It only accepts the best of the best. Don't just talk the talk. Walk the walk with us. Support Clarion West the way you always wanted to be supported yourself. See our website at clarionwest.org to see how. Thank you.